Hey guys, what's up? And like in the last match, the last video, we are uh, that position actually in that position where we are willing to buy some good CDM and CB. In this particular episode, we will continue the searching actually. Look out our budget actually, and the budget is like that's the week, not back, and in this area, while we have uh, the attacking line is very good. Our attacking line is very very spacey. Its skill like Mbappe is nearly added actually in the recent time. At the same time, we have Aubameyang, okay, and of course there is Lacazette, Pepe, and on the other hand, we have just purchased this young player, young fellow, Upamecano, which age is now 20. Okay, and on the other hand, David Luiz is 32. Tierney and the right hand side, and in the right hand side we have Bellerin. So, and there is of course Saliba is there, but the main thing is that David Luiz have to departure. I think he should departure actually. Okay, so that's why I'm thinking about the main CB here, who will lead the Gunners. Okay, so in that prospect, we have to emergency. we are in emergency for a good CB, and that's why going now Real Madrid, and for that let's see what happened. Okay, what their look at their squad hub. There are lots of guys who is very talented. Same Elder Milito is a very good player, and our main player, oh, his value is 51. So this is going to be big trouble for us to convey Real Madrid, to sell him. And here is a good CAM, central attacking midfielder. So this is tough. James Rodriguez, maybe he will be good for us definitely, but at in the same time we have to remind that we have not that type of budget. We have very tight budget right now, so that's why maybe it is going to be very challenge for us. Rodrigo is my key player. I am very, and in the same time, for Vinicius Junior, definitely these two guys are very much will be in my radar. And yeah, I mean, that is the end of Real Madrid prospect, and now we'll go for Barcelona, for one and only their main CB player, Umtiti. Okay, so this is the key player for us, and we have to bring one of from Umtiti and Rafael Varane. So this is going to be big trouble, and in the same time we are looking for Rodrigo, or even like Vinicius Junior. So there is lots of guy in our radar, and let's see what happening. In here I can see play match. We have to play a match actually, and okay, we will play the match in very quickly, and for that, okay, let's simulate the match. We are simulating the match. We have lost by 2 goals, but in the very quick session, in order to make very quickly progressive this video, we had to do that. So nothing to be worried. And This is the player. Okay, Martinelli. Ajax had shown interest in purchasing Ashley Maitland for 12. No, 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 no. This guy is not going to be sold for only 12. I will allow him if somebody can give me this type of money, then only I can allow him to departure our club. Alexandre Lacazette, okay, 98. Okay, release clause 98. Alexandre Lacazette and his agent are currently negotiating with Paris Saint-Germain. No, 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 no. This is not right. This is something which is not right for us right now. Aubameyang, Lacazette, Pepe. No. Then what should we have to do? That in very quick transition, we have to resign Alexandre Lacazette for another sum of 3 or 4 years maybe. Okay, that have to be happen very quickly. Alexandre Lacazette, where are you? This is him. View offer. What is happening? No. Alexandre Lacazette, contract negotiation, release player, team sheet, add loan, contract negotiation. Okay, let's resigning him again. Current wages important. Okay, we want to be crucial part in our team. That's okay. No, not 3 years actually. I will looking for signing him for 5 years, but no, they are still in their. No, I want at least 4 years. Let's make it. Let's make it. He's happy. Okay, he is happy. Disagree release clause, propose release clause, propose release clause. Okay, it will be like 145, 48. 140 will be release clause. That will be good. Sure, we can agree. Okay, he is agree with that. Counter, remove bonus. I will not going to any bonus. Signing bonus. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. Okay, but he is happy. Okay, ultimately he is happy, and we are still. We are we just blocked the offer from Ajax, PSG for Lacazette. And okay, what Elmani is saying? Elmani is saying that he wants to be participate in the team, and in order to give him a chance, at least a chance he deserves. Let's make him here, and Pepe will be participating there, and Willock will be here, and not only him, Chamber also going to be there. Set Kolasinac will. Okay, Willock not there. Okay, David Luiz no, and yeah, that's the team. That's my team, and right now we are looking forward for simulate the match, and let's see Carabao Cup. It's happening, and Arsenal versus. Okay, we have won. We have won. Are they offering some money for our win? No, player injured for 3 months. Leno, oh my god, no, this is a bad news for us. Brendan Leno is out for another 3 months, and what is happening? Elmani is thanking me, Pepe also thanking me. Okay, oh my god, only few days is left. for this right now. I have to be join as soon as possible in the transfer window, and from now I don't know what will be happened. Approach to loan. Okay, at first we'll be looking for Rafael Varane, loan TT 25.86, and his price is 56 TT, and his stamina 71, where Varane's stamina is much better than him, I think. No, only 72. Strength 86, 83, 86, 83. Okay, let's go for Rafael Varane. Okay, no bigger negotiation with the club, and in this area I will offer David Luiz for him. Let's see what Zinedine Zidane is looking for. Center back, I will give you David Luiz. What is, we would only consider sweeping David Luiz. Oh my god, no, I will not looking for this type of money. No, we stick on his offer. Okay, we'll let 60, only 60. Yeah, that's a better offer. That means 69, total 80. 79 is value right now for Rafael Varane, and we will definitely go for him. Let's making the negotiation with Rafael Varane, and here we are, crucial. Okay, accept, done. 5 years, definitely he will be our leader. Disagree release clause. Okay, our agent counter and remove bonus, definitely 160-1550. No, we are not looking for that type of money to invest on him. What he is saying. Okay, let's make it. Yes, Rafael Varane is in our team. We got Mbappe, Rafael Varane, and these are the main two. And in the other hand, we bring some good future prospect. Upamecano, he is his name, and don't forget that Saliba in our team. He's a young and fresh blood, and he is going to be superstar for Arsenal in the upcoming days. And Jesus, what is about Jesus? May I make a chance for him? He's a good player. He's a definitely good player. A little bit I'm trying for him to bring him, if possible, in a low budget. I'm not willing to spend a lots of money on him right now, because we have a very tight situation. Fullback, who will be Kolasinac? No. Fullback, striker, no option actually. We have not that type of player right now in our team. Torreira, Gundogan, Elmeni. Chimber is very versatile. So I will looking for swiping the player Mohamed Elneny. No, okay. Offer other player. Okay, I will offer transfer fee. His basic price is 30. Only 30 I will give you. No. Oh my god. Okay, let's go for Milito for loan. No, they are not allowing him. Rodriguez, his basic value is 44. for loan, no. Okay, approach to buy. He may be a good collective player. In the order of we have sell Mesut Ozil, so we have only Dani Ceballos from Real Madrid with Loni actually. So maybe we need a good central attacking midfielder, and that's why I am going to sweeping the player again. His name is Mohamed El Neni. No, offer transfer free. I can give you only 30. I don't think so. Oh, 34. 34 is very tighty actually. What about 32? What about 32? 34 and okay, let's 32 and 5. 32 and 5. Okay, we have a deal. Now this is very tough situation because we had already right and left hand very good player, very two good player. Perisic Junior, maybe they will allow to loan. No. Okay, let's go for Milato, Sabil Bilogato. No. Rodriguez will be our key player, definitely in the attacking central midfielder, because no one is there. Only Ceballos is not ideal central attacking midfielder right now. So that's why we needed someone like Rodriguez, or maybe someone who is a world class player. At the same time, he can provide the gameplay, provide the ball distribution area, like what I am supposed to. So that's why he is going to be a very crucial player in my squad right now. And now let's talk about his joining budget and all those things. 170, 1550. No, budget is very tight here, so that's why let's make it. Not quite why I'm hoping, but he is eager to join your club. Okay, that's a good sign. And how much budget we have left in our finance headquarter? Only not so good actually. In this, okay, with this tight situation, I think let's wait for another 1 or 2 days, and let's make the situation whether I will go for another Loni. I have seen the final report. Okay, Rodrigo, Milito details they have sent me. Sprint speed, stamina. He is very good player. Only 25 right now. Release price is 57. Perisic Junior and Rodrigo. What a world class player he will be in the upcoming days. I know he is going to be very good player. Okay, Martinez for a fee is 10. Martinez should be 1250. Start. Okay, Taro. Okay, 13 is I am setting his starting budget for arguing. Please give me this player. So that's why I am setting this. And we are in the last few hours only. Player leaving. Okay, player chat. Eleni, thanks for giving. Pepe, Martinez, Saka. Okay, now Martinez transfer is no way. Martinez, what is about Martinez? 13, 5 details. Okay, now they are happy with that. Accept, yeah, definitely we're looking for selling, and thereby our budget will increase little bit increase, but at the same time we will be patient. Will show our great patience in this market area and in the last few hours. So this is a very crucial hour, and I'm looking transfer for what? Aubameyang? No man, no. He is our main second player actually. And 106 negotiate, and I will give the green signal to leave him near about something at minimum for 130 minimum. I don't right now I don't want to lost him from this team actually, and so maybe I will make this type of budget. But the main thing is that after losing him, in what player I will bring, that's the biggest issue, because Mbappe, Pepe, and there become only other option, maybe Dybala or maybe Jesus. Let's see what. No, okay, go run away. And only some time has been left in this transfer market window, and one notification has come in my office, and let's see what is Martinez sold. Okay, 10 we got. Okay, that's a good news. And in the other hand, what is happening there? Offer window is restrict. Okay, no worry. Let's see what is happening. Loan from Chamber, no man. Transfer offer for Elneny, that is good. 11.8 is basic. 15 he can go for 15, negotiate for 15, yeah, or that will be much bigger price for this club like Wolves. So that's why what I'm going to set this budget. Let's see. No, they are stick in their proposals. The starting proposal 400, only 1400, 12.3. Okay, 22 will be, or fine will be raised. Okay, Elneny will be sold to them, and this short of time, what will happen in last 1 hour has been left, only last 1 hour has been left, and transfer for again Liverpool. Oh my god. Let's make some serious deal for Aubameyang. Minimum 130, 135, because Aubameyang is that type of player. So you have to remember that whenever you are making a deal for this type of player, so that is perfect, I think. No, 91, no man, I will not consider him to allowing him in only that price. 20 2, 22, only 122. Okay, let's happen. No, okay, bye bye. And now this time we have some money, and what is our budget right now? That have to be happen. That have to be watched very carefully, because okay, 10 is coming from Martinez selling. This is what we have got after sale El Neni. Okay, so we are looking forward in near future, so that's why I will bring one of my cutest player. His name is sprint speed. What is that? Sprint speed 89, stamina 74. Alfonso Davies is very good, but this player, I want this player. Maybe in purchase, I don't know. Sprint speed 84, stamina is 82. Oh my god, Rodrigo is, and this is world class player. So Rodrigo, I will approach to loan or buy. Approach to 15, with whom we can consider. No, his weekly wage is 54, so let's bring him as a loanee. Approach to loan for Rodriguez, Real Madrid newcomer, and 2 year, definitely for 2 years. Sure, we are happy to Rodrigo go out on a 2 year loan. Okay, advance 50-50. Okay, accept it. Okay, accept. Let's make it. And we have now this player in our hand. And Jesus is 30. Mbappe, Kana, Rodriguez is in. We are defending the money for Zagadou or Milito, someone like them, for in the upcoming next transfer market when that will open. And at the same time, we have in our squad a very good player, some of like, you can just watch Mbappe. Ceballos will be replaced by Rodriguez. Ceballos will be there. Leno is out for medical, so Mackey only. Okay, and Rafael Varane will be there. Rafael Varane is very good player, very solid defensive player, and of course Bellerin will be there. Kolasinac not there. Okay, now what is happening in, we are looking to rebuild our squad right now. El Neni, he will departure very soon, so that's why here will be present this area by Torreira, and Torreira's partner will be Gundogan and some others like Willock or someone else. Okay, so El Neni go, and in there, which one I will put? This player. Now this is seriously attack after attack. Aubameyang, Mbappe, Rodriguez. Captain, I don't think so. That okay, playmaker outside, but tactics, captain role, captaincy, I'll give him. Okay, and yeah, Let's make it. Yes. Let's make it. Let's make it. The last 1 hours. What have been done? Transfer deadline. Okay. Rodrigo's loan. Join our loaning. Okay. Transfer to Booktown. Oh. For M85 you can find details. Liverpool has been rejected maybe. Okay, now and one player I have forget about is actually the player will be join very soon. Okay, player will be joining very soon. And what is the notification actually? Rodriguez loan join our. You can consider this notification to be over. Rodrigo has rejected the proposal to join our club on loan. But why? I don't know why he didn't accept our terms and offer. And this is going to be safe and in the order of making the main video. It's recording what is recording right now. It is very much raw file. So from here we can see that what player we are supposed to bring in our team, and now we got them. The huge money we have spent for Mbappe, Rodriguez, and Varane. Definitely main player or Varane, Rodriguez, and Mbappe. So let's see. And at the same time we have the very spacey wing also, Pepe and Maitland-Niles, and on the other hand Lacazette in there, Cabelas, Guendouzi, and William Saliba. William Saliba is our future star. Are you agree with me the way I am preparing this team, the bringing the player after player? So let's make the comment. Okay, and don't forget to hit the bell button, and of course please subscribe my channel.